Ever stretched your arms or back and heard a crackling sound? Let's uncover this by our new series, Weird but True. In this series, we will explore surprising biology facts that will blow your mind. So the sound doesn't come from bones. It comes from the joints where two bones meet. Our joints are filled with special liquid called synovial fluid, which acts like engine oil to reduce friction and helps bones move smoothly. When we stretch or bend, the space inside the joint change. This sudden change in pressure makes tiny gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse, we hear the crackling sound. Subscribe for the upcoming videos.